Metallic bonds. What are metallic bonds? Metallic bonds are a bond in which valence electrons of the metal atoms are delocalized throughout the metal lattice. So solids are most stable in a crystal form. So in metallic crystals, there are metallic bonds that create a sea of positive ions, an array of positive ions, and then a sea of delocalized valence electrons. Delocalized means that they can spread out. So as opposed to covalent crystals or molecular crystals, these metallic bonds are very specific. They can spread out. They can move around. And because of that, this gives metals their strength and their different properties because it increases the number of electrons available for bonding and makes it even more stable. So this gives it metal strength. The mobility of the valence electrons, so the ability for them to move around, so the mobility is another word we can use to describe the valence electrons, helps it make it a good conductor of heat, electricity, because now there's electrons floating around that help it transfer heat and electricity, and also gives a metal strength because now there are more valence electrons available for bonding with those metal atoms. And so it's very important to remember that metallic bonds have a delocalized or can spread out valence electrons, which gives it its properties of heat, good conduction of heat, electricity, and the strength of a metal.